It all comes down to the angle of our knitting needles. Apparently, we form looser stitches when our needles are almost parallel to each other when we wrap the tip of the right needle with the yarn. So they look about like this. And we work tighter when our needles form a right or even acute angle. So how can we use this information to fix our problems with the knitting tension? When your tension is uneven and then you get those gaps like these ones on the wrong side of the work, so that was my issue with the tension, then try to understand whether your knits are looser than your purls or your purls are looser than your knits. A way to test this is explained in a tutorial that you will find at tenrosaday.com/fixing-gap. So if you know that your purl stitches are looser than your knit stitches, then keep the needles aligned when you knit a stitch, like this, and keep the needles at a right angle when you purl a stitch. If you know that your knit stitches are looser than your purl stitches, then do the opposite. Keep the needles at the right angle when you knit a stitch, and keep the needles almost parallel to each other when you purl a stitch. And then your knitting tension will look much better. If you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be notified every time I publish a new video. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.